of the culture, this is more than just a phase. Feeling like tsunami, see my walls lit with the waves.
It's your boy Tsunami Timo.
Tsunami Timo.
What's poppin', YouTube? It's your boy Tsunami Timo, and today I'm back at it again. I got something real special for y'all. I've been waiting for this for a very long time. It got here, and I really didn't think that this company would notice me, but they noticed me. So I'm gonna talk about that. And first, things that I get asked a lot. Okay. Number one, do I wet my hair every day? No. I said that in previous videos, but I still get asked this. Number two, what do I do when I have hair sticking through the top of the do-rag? Now, I told you guys double compress. Now, I have another method. I haven't seen a lot of people do this, but basically, what you're gonna get, right, is it's called the Shaver Shaper by Wahl, right? And this doesn't come with this at the top. I have replaced this because this broke. Okay? What you're gonna do, turn it on, right? Boom. You can get the extra hairs from the top without messing up your hair. Okay? So basically, this is all you need. If you want to get rid of extra hairs that stick up, this is a nice tool to get. Once again, Wahl Shaver Shaper, you can check that out. So now, what did I get? We're going on rag, okay? This is a nice Ocean Views Beauty do-rag, two-tone, the black and the red. Super dope. If you want one of these, go check out oceanviewsbeauty.com. Use my discount code Tsunami Timo. It's a nice color. Boom. Okay. So now, let's unrag. I've been getting a lot of progress back. All the progress I lost during the cut, it's coming back. But slowly but surely, it's coming back. Boom. Alright. If you see, let me grab a mirror for you. This is the side. You see it's coming back in nicely. Let's go to the top so you guys can see that. This side coming in nicely, and then on top, boom. And so you guys can see it. Everything's looking good except for my crown. I have to grow that in. I don't know why it went so low when they was cutting my crown, but it is what it is. Next time I'm just gonna do it myself. Make sure there's no mess ups, okay? So that's what it's looking like right now. So I got this box the other day, and it's basically, it was sent to me by Cold Label. I did not spend a dime on this, but they basically sent me everything that they make. If you can see, so it was a sticker in here. This is nice. I might put this somewhere on the car or something. They sent me a protective cap. I don't know what this is for. Now, I never purchased any of this, but I heard good things about Cold Label in the past. I just never spent the money to get it, but now I got it. So I'm gonna let y'all know how it works. So they sent me the premium Cold Label Wave and Scalp Butter. It'll look like this. It does not have certified organic ingredients. It don't say what's in there, but that's okay. I'm gonna open it up and let y'all see what it look like. This is the scalp butter, right? Alright. This is what that looks like. And this is the front once again. Scalp butter. Then they also sent me this. This is Wolfen Pomade, also by Cold Label, and it doesn't have the ingredients either, but this is like 12, 15 bucks on Amazon each. 4 ounces. Master Barber Blend on it. Let's see that. Oh, and you unscrew it. It's not. I thought you had to pull it off. No wonder. But oh, this is nice. Smell like cocoa butter. This is Wolfen Pomade right here. What else came in there? Okay, so then they sent me this right here. This is called Cold Label Black Soap Shampoo Organic Essential Oils. Black soap shampoo works great for both clarifying and moisturizing the hair, and is made with authentic African black soap. Black soap shampoo contains no sulfates, parabens, or other toxic chemicals. It is mild, effective, and has become a favorite of our collection for the fresh, soft texture, lustrous sheen it leaves behind. Okay, you can get that at www.coldlabel.co. And this is part of the Smart Grooming collection, so check that out. Black soap shampoo. Then they sent me this. I don't even know what this is right here. I have no idea, but we're gonna find out. Okay, so this is called the 7 Juices, also made by Cold Label. You can get all this stuff at their website, but you can get this on Amazon too, I'm pretty sure. An organic blend of natural carrier and essential oils for healthy hair and scalp. So argan, rosemary, jojoba, and this is 2 ounces. Got a little elephant on the side. Real simple, and it has the little dropper, so it doesn't spray, but you just get that out and then it drops. That's cool. We're gonna check that out. I've had this before, I think. I don't recall, it's been so long, but this is dope. Then they sent me this comb. I have tons of comb, you guys know that. But it's a Cold Label comb. Just a regular little comb they sent me. We ain't gonna open this, but it basically says Cold Label at the top. And what else they sent me? Another sticker. Cold Label, that's nice. Check that out. Then they sent me this classic stocking wave cap. Cold Label. This looks like it's made by like Waving Force, like the cheap stocking cap. I'm not sure though. Okay, so we're gonna open this up and see what this is. It's probably similar to, yeah, it is. And well, hold on. It came with 2 of them, and it has a little padding at the bottom. Closely, it could be relatable if you've had the ones from Walmart, the Waving Force ones or whatever, or a Wave Builder stocking cap. This is what that is. We discussed the boo-boo caps. Those are 10 times better. That's what I use. Okay. What else they give me? Nothing much. It says right here, thank you. Inspired by the iconic barbershop and the pursuit of perfection, the artisan's display, Cold Label proudly offers premium quality handcrafted apothecary products that capture the true heritage of the barbershop with premium organic quality for the entire family. Cold Label, okay? Boom, that's what that looks like. And that's about it. And before you guys leave, we're gonna get in a quick brush session. Just keep you guys motivated, okay? What I'm gonna use, this is the Royalty 8169 OG Killer, so that's what we're gonna use for this little brush session. As you can see, if you look on the side, this is how I brush the side. Okay, I come forward so that when I get to this side, it'll all be aligned. And if you guys see my pictures, you may have seen that my waves look crooked right now. That's fine because I've been actually shifting, so a lot of people already know this. But if you didn't know, what I'm trying to do is make an angle this direction. You guys will see this when the pattern is complete. But basically this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna bend it up for you guys. I really need to work on my crown. Even though I did that while I was wolfing, like I said, the barber cut too low, so now I'm gonna have to let the hair grow in to be able to fix it. Okay, so I'm gonna be in the mirror brushing. You can stay, you can pick up your brush with me, whatever you wanna do. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video. For any of these products that you've seen in this video, make sure you check out Code Label. I'm gonna leave their information in the description below. It's your boy Tsunami Timo. Like always, I appreciate everyone checking out my videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not yet. And I'm out.